Hey, welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudiyal and today in this video we are going to discuss that how to convert an Illustrator file into a Photoshop file. Before I start, I kindly request you to please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications. So, let's start. So, I have this book cover here which I have created in Adobe Illustrator. Now I will show you that how you can convert it into PSD file, that is Photoshop document. Just go to file here and select export and here export as. And click here on save as type and here select Photoshop PSD. Now give a name to your file and click export. And here click OK. Now let's open that file which I have saved. So this is the file. Now I am going to open it. Here you go. So this is how you can convert an Illustrator file into a Photoshop file. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.